Hello guys, and welcome to another Unturned video. In this video we're going to be making a custom helicopter base. In last video we made a boat base. So I've got a whole bunch of materials, as you can see in my inventory right now, and let's make some cool stuff happen. So I'm gonna start with like some plates, I think, because that's usually what I do. I did that in the last video. Let me just angle this. There we go. Oh, no. I keep screwing up. There. Alright, that looks really cool. Alright, let's try and get it symmetrical. So it just looks exactly the same. Right there, I think. A little bit lower. There. Nice, that looks really cool. I got these door frame or these frames. I've never seen them before, but I just was looking through the IDs and I saw that. I'm trying to do this. I'm not sure if it'll look good. I'll take a look in a second. Let me just angle this. That looks really cool. I think I might add sandbags later to it. I'm not sure. Okay, I got some more. I'm gonna do the back, but I think I'm gonna have walls on the sides. Or one side will be a wall and the other will have to be a doorway, I guess. Here, let me get a plate. Okay. This will be like a room full of stuff. So you have to, I guess you have to crouch to get through. That's fine. I'll give us some more walls here. Oh yeah, I have plates, I forgot. I'm gonna try and do a roof out of these plates. Alright, no, wrong way. That looks good. There. Crouch again, so annoying. Ah, dang it. It really looked straight to me. I don't know why. Okay, this gotta be it. That's what I gotta do. Oh my gosh. There. Perfect. Looks pretty cool. Now to do the other side. Hopefully I won't screw up as much. So, that looks good. No. No. There. And boom. Awesome. I'm gonna put some sandbags in the bottom part. Oh, that looks pretty epic. Imagine this like in the air, or not in the air, but just landing on top of a building and like having this portable fighting area. Your whole crew in here, that'd be awesome. Let's get the other side now. Let me put down my cage lights. I'm gonna try and do a headlight type thing. Doesn't look good. Oh, here on the sides. Yeah, let me cover up the feet of the drivers so you're not too vulnerable. I don't want that. Because you're not able to look down in a helicopter anyway, so. I'm gonna put some on the sides of these. It doesn't look very good. Maybe the top? No. Yeah, the middle. Look at the other side. I can't put it on the back, I guess. Yeah, I'll do it on the side. That looks pretty cool. Oh, wait, I can't do that because that's where I'm going to put my ladder. I'll put it on the middle, like the other one. But lower down, that looks pretty cool. Now I get my ladder. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, and I can get up here. Let me get my other ladder so I can do the other side too. Okay, I'm gonna try and put a roof in between these. Alright, I'm back, I got it. I had to look for the ID. Let me just angle this. Here, let me try and make it more into this side so it looks a little bit more symmetrical. Then I have to crouch it. Ooh, perfect. Let me just sandbag this whole area. It's gonna look really cool. Gonna get myself some more sandbags. Nice. Cover up the cage light. Does that look right? No, I have to take this one off and put it inside the other one. There. It's gonna look good. I'll have the other one on the corner. Yeah. Oh, I can't go on top of that. I was gonna make another, like, epic platform back there. That would have been pretty cool. Let's get my sandbags. Oh, you're not allowed to angle it. You can only turn it, unfortunately. I was trying to do that. Oh, my ladders. I have to uncover the other ladder. I just realized that. Let me just put the middle down. There, I think that ladder still works. Yeah, it does. Okay, this area looks so cool. Let me put my cage lights. I think I might have it angling the side. No, I think actually the front looks the best, yeah. Just facing forward. Can I put my gas tank down here? Nah, it's too big, it just doesn't look good. Oh, I gotta put my flag. Maybe I can have it lower like in the previous base, so it doesn't look as tall. Oh, wait, why won't it let me? That's weird. I'll just put it in the middle of the top. Perfect. Oh, I can put my planters on each side. And then I'll plant my corn. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. I can grow my crops while I'm flying. And I could put a sign here on the back. You're right, like Fort TBC, Fort Thebroschannel. Cool. Can I put my couch here? No, I think it's too cramped. Maybe let me see. No, that's really bad. Can I put it in the middle? No. Side doesn't look good either. I guess I'll try and use it later, maybe. To make a doorway there. I can put my generator in here. This is a nice little area. Let me, sandbag this, area up here. I could use a generator as like a scaffolding type thing. Yeah, this is gonna This is gonna be good. Nice. Should I, yeah, I'm gonna put it, oh, I could put my couch. Not my sandbag, my couch. Perfect. This is like a living room. Put my generator here, that looks pretty cool. Okay guys, I'm back. I got a lamp from my living room. I think that's gonna look nice. Then I have a gun case to go over here. I'm not sure if it'll fit though. It goes over the edge. I might want to make a doorway though. Yeah, I don't really like that. There, I can put it in here. Oh, it'll fit nice. Let me just get a AR to put in there. I just bought this AR-15 in under 15 minutes. Disgusting. I'm gonna get some sandbags to make like a doorway half, so I can put like a vault door or like a door or something in the other half, like right there. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put down some like scaffolding type thing to stand on. I hate having to crouch to make it work. Alright, I got a door frame thing to go in the middle. It's gonna look pretty good. Alright, I got a door instead of a vault door, because I think it just fits it a little bit more. Actually, I want it opening out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I don't think a vault door would like fit, you know. I'm not sure what else I can do. Should I put a step there? I don't think so. I think I'm maybe done. Oh, I need to put gas. I forgot about that. Fill her up. Let me test if this thing flies. Something I need to know. Look at this bad boy. Looks epic. I left the door open. Now my gun's gonna fall out. That's really could shoot me. Oh shit, I didn't do that. Oh, good, it didn't blow up. I was really afraid it was gonna blow. Oh, I'm right in my gun room. Close the door. Ooh, now let's make it nighttime and turn on all the lights. Sweet. Is my lamp on? Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Okay, now it's on. Now let's fly this thing. Oh, that looks so cool. All those lights and everything. Take a screenshot of that. Oh, and it's a full moon. Full moon. Full moon. It's a full moon. This is so cool. Can you imagine actually like seeing somebody like fly this? That'd be crazy. I'm in my living room, now I'm in my gun room. I could just leave. Let's go up on the roof. This place is crazy. I'm really happy with this base. I think this is almost cooler than the first one. The boat base. Wait, use. Oh, I can write on this. I didn't know that. Write Fort TBC again. Nice, let's see that. Sweet. Alright, I guess this is gonna wrap up the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.